When it's time to sell your home, something unexpected happens. You don't just look at square meters, features, or sale price. You remember. You remember the laughter over spilled breakfast in bed, the chaos of puppy training, and the masterpiece Bub painted. All over the carpet. Your home tells a story, and like any good story, it's full of love and mess. But while buyers may understand that life happens, they're not here for your memories. They're looking for theirs. And nothing says fresh start quite like freshly cleaned carpets. 1. A clean slate. When someone walks into a home, they want to feel like it's the beginning of something new. Clean carpets help them visualize that new beginning. The look, the smell, the feel underfoot. It tells them that this place is ready to move into. It creates warmth. It creates excitement. And, if we're being honest, it creates a subtle sense of urgency. Because when a home looks this fresh, buyers know they're not the only ones eyeing it off. 2. A healthier home. Let's face it, dust and dirt don't take a day off. Even a few days without vacuuming and suddenly your carpet becomes a trap for allergens, odours, and grime. Now imagine that's the first impression during a house inspection. Not great. A clean, professionally treated carpet does more than look good. It smells clean. It feels clean. It is clean. It reassures potential buyers, especially those with allergies or children, that this home is safe, fresh, and well maintained. 3. Why vacuuming isn't enough. You know that moment you move a couch and see the original carpet colour hiding underneath? Yeah. Vacuuming just doesn't cut it. Over time, carpets fade, mat down, and collect more than we care to think about. But a professional clean, that's a game changer. It restores your carpet's colour, making it look more even, plush, and valuable. It turns a tired floor into a luxury feature. Buyers don't just see the difference, they feel it. 4. The hidden value of professional carpet cleaning. Does professional carpet cleaning directly increase your property's market value? Maybe not on paper, but it boosts perceived value. It makes your home appear more loved, more ready, more premium. Buyers can't always put their finger on it, but they feel like the home is worth the asking price. And when emotion kicks in, offers follow. 5. The inspection effect. Open homes and inspections are all about presentation. And carpets, they're everywhere. Living rooms, bedrooms, hallways. Dirty carpets stick out, but clean ones, they blend in beautifully. They frame your furniture. They enhance the lighting. They make everything feel well cared for. Presentation is persuasion, and clean carpets do the persuading for you. 6. Appealing to sensitive buyers. In today's market, many buyers are health conscious. Some have asthma, others have allergies. Some are buying for their young families. A quick once-over with the vacuum won't reassure them, but professional steam cleaning, that's a statement. It says, this home is healthy. This home is cared for. This home is ready. 7. Stains don't have to stay. Remember that wine spill in 2022? Or the mystery spot near the hallway? You might have stopped noticing, but buyers won't. Luckily, professional cleaning, especially steam cleaning, can lift many stubborn stains. It won't erase your memories, but it will tidy them up for inspection day. 8. Steam cleaning. The gold standard steam cleaning is the deep clean your home deserves before going to market. It lifts dirt, removes allergens, and restores softness to your floors. It's not just cleaning, it's reviving. And it gives your home that hotel fresh feel that buyers love. 9. Can it speed up the sale? Homes that look clean, smell fresh, and feel ready tend to move faster. Why? Because they stand out in a crowded market. Buyers have options. But when they walk into a home where the carpets are clean, the air is fresh, and every room says, "We're ready for you," that sticks. Sometimes it's the small things, like carpets that tip the balance. Selling your home is a big step. It's emotional, it's strategic, and it's competitive. So give your home every advantage. Let your carpets do some of the talking. They've seen it all. No, it's time for them to help someone else imagine their story. Are you thinking of selling soon? Make the best first impression with professionally cleaned carpets. Get in touch with your local expert carpet cleaners and give your home the fresh start it and your buyers deserve. Because a cleaner carpet isn't just about hygiene, it's about confidence. And in real estate, confidence sells.